Thank you guys for coming back to our channel, well, my channel. And today we're gonna be doing a Nerf War, as you guys can see. 2 guns, each got 1 bullet. If the player shoots and the player has no bullets and you shoot, well, basically you can only grab 1 bullet. You can't take both. So if you like this video, leave a like. If you want more, subscribe to this channel. As you guys can see, I'm playing and my brother is also playing too with me. So we're gonna just get right into this video. Ready? No, put your hands behind your back. 1 hand. I got 1 hand behind my back. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I got the best gun, so I'll move to the other spot. You stay here.
Okay, cool.
And let's go. I'm gonna give you a warning on this. The camera might be shaky, so just doing this for fun. Like I said, like if you like it, subscribe if you want more. You ready? Yeah, go! You won't see my face that much in this video. Oh, it's a Nerf War. Oh! Hold on, you can't do that. Whoa!
Pause it.
Video. Oh, my bullet's outside. Hold on. And go. Oh no! Oh! Remember, you can't get close to me. You can't. You can't move in close to my. Stop! You can't do that. Hold on. Get my view. Shit. Oh!
I got you.
Here, record. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I lost the round. As you guys can see, you got shot. Hope you liked the video. If you want more, subscribe to this channel. If you want more, subscribe to this channel. And we just did this for fun.
Bitch. If comment down below if you want us to do another one today. Or,
Yeah. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. And peace.